Click on the link below to get price. Welcome to the exciting world of embroidery. Today, we're diving into the future of this creative craft with the remarkable InStitch i5 computer system. If you're passionate about embroidery, or simply looking for a way to take your skills up a notch, well, you're in the perfect place. This newly upgraded electronic control system boasts a user-friendly interface that guides you through 1 to 3 simple steps, making it easier than ever to learn and master your embroidery machine. With its quick response times, you'll find that you're mastering operations in no time, getting you closer to all those creative projects you've dreamed of tackling. But what truly sets this commercial embroidery machine apart from others on the market? Let's explore. The InStitch i5 features intelligent 3D hat embroidery along with stride jump functions. What does that mean for you? It means that this machine is specifically designed to handle structural hats with precision. Yes, no more struggling with tricky materials. You can confidently take on a variety of projects, whether you're crafting custom hats or personalizing other apparel, all without breaking a sweat. Now, you might be thinking about accessories, right? Well, worry not. The BAI Embroidery Machine comes fully equipped with a comprehensive selection of preset accessories, so you can dive right into your projects without the hassle of purchasing additional items. Imagine embroidering effortlessly on hats, t-shirts, hoodies, jeans, jackets, bags, leather, shoes, and even patches. That's versatility on a whole new level. But what about speed? In the fast-paced world of embroidery, speed is key, and this multi-needle hat embroidery machine is built for it. It can achieve an impressive speed of up to 1,200 stitches per minute in just 5 seconds. For those structural hats, it stabilizes at an incredible 850 stitches per minute, 200 stitches higher than many competing machines. What does that mean for you? A significant boost in productivity by up to 20%. Just think about all the projects you can tackle with that extra time in your hands. Let's talk about customization, because we all know that personal touch matters. With the BAI computerized embroidery machine, inputting your own designs is a breeze. You can easily use Wi-Fi or USB transmission to upload your creations. Each machine comes with a USB stick, allowing you to transfer your DST or DSB files straight from your computer in no time. And for the tech-savvy embroiderers out there, our innovative cloud platform is tailored for the embroidery industry. It supports over 100,000 devices online, enabling cross-equipment and multi-model batch pattern file operations, all while helping you calculate costs automatically. This is technology designed exclusively for your needs and your creative journey. Now, let's not forget about those who are new to this fantastic craft. Starting something new can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you haven't used a commercial embroidery machine before. That's why we're here to help. We offer free training and technical support, ensuring that our dedicated team is here for you every step of the way. From unboxing and assembling your machine to threading and tension adjustments, we want to help you overcome any hurdles quickly and with confidence. It's all about empowering you to unleash your creativity. And speaking of support, let's talk about the community. We encourage all our listeners to join our thriving group of over 7,000 users, fondly known as the BAI Embroidery Machine family. Connecting with fellow embroidery shop owners can be a treasure trove of tips, tricks, and shared experiences that can enhance your journey. Plus, don't miss out on our engaging video tutorials. Simply search for BAI Embroidery Machine TV on your favorite platform, and you'll discover a wealth of knowledge waiting for you to dive into. Curious about how popular the BAI Embroidery Machine really is? With a sales rank of number 15 in embroidery machines and an outstanding 4.8 rating from 414 reviews, it's clear that users absolutely love this machine. So, are you ready to take your embroidery journey to the next level? Let's explore the world of creativity and productivity together with the InStitch i5 computer system today. Your next masterpiece is just a stitch away. Click on the link below to get price.